everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. Christmas is definitely my favorite time of year. Not only because we are celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ, but we also get a chance to make wonderful memories with our family and our close friends. This year has come with a lot of changes for our family, and a lot of wonderful things have happened. We found our forever home on 2.5 acres. My website, thelatinanextdoor.com, as well as my YouTube channel, experienced a lot of growth this year. I went to my very first blogging conference this year, and I must say the experience was amazing. Not only did I get to meet a lot of other people who are just as passionate as I am for DIY and home decor and to share it with you guys, I've had the opportunity to meet and work with some amazing companies. And as you guys know, Plaid reached out to me earlier this year and asked me to be one of their creators for 2019. And I couldn't have been more excited. And I have shared several tutorials on my channel using their products, which I already loved and used on a regular basis. So I was very honored when they contacted me to become one of their creators. And throughout this year, you guys have seen me make crafts, decorate my home very inexpensively. And I have grown an amazing familia here on YouTube. So I thought about what I could do in order to share my appreciation for all of you who have stuck around and seen the journey so far. So I reached out to Plaid and asked them what they thought about doing a giveaway for the holidays this year. And they are such an amazing company that they automatically agreed and said yes. So I shared my idea about doing a giveaway of all of my favorite things from Plaid that I've used so far. So this is all of my favorite Plaid things giveaway. And everything that you see here is what is in the giveaway. But what's even more amazing is that when I went to Plaid, I had the intention of doing one giveaway. But they actually said, why not 3? So I will be giving 3 of these sets away for Christmas. I am going to be going over everything that's in this giveaway. And at the end of the video, I am going to share how you can enter. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Now, the first item that I'm going to be going over is this really pretty home decor chalk paint. You guys know I have used their chalk paint before and it is amazing. This is the color Nantucket Blue. And if you guys remember, I bought an IKEA side table off of Facebook Marketplace for only $20 and I gave it a makeover. I'll go ahead and put that video in the description box in case you guys want to check it out. Now, this is the color that I used to transform that table, and I absolutely loved the finish and final look it gave it. So I am including this in my favorites giveaway. Now, the next thing that's in the giveaway is a sample of the white Adirondack paint that I've used so many times. It is also home decor chalk paint. Now, the next thing is this wonderful antique wax. I have used it on some Dollar Tree makeovers, and this gives your final product a beautiful finish. So the next item is this wood tint in the color walnut. I use this on that IKEA hack table as well. I used it to stain the wood top that I added to the IKEA table. And remember, this is water-based and it doesn't smell like oil-based stain, which is why I love using it, especially during the wintertime when it's too cold to do your projects outdoors. And of course, if you're going to be doing any transformations with chalk paint on any furniture, you're going to need your wax. And this is the wax that I also use on that table and have used at other times in other projects. So you're also getting this 8-ounce bottle of home decor clear wax. Of course, if you're going to work with chalk paint, you're going to need some chalk paint brushes. And I have gone ahead and also made sure to include a chalk brush and a wax brush so you guys can get started on these projects with these brushes. All right, no Plaid giveaway is a Plaid giveaway without Mod Podge. I use this to seal a lot of my projects, and my favorite one is the matte finish. So this is also going in the giveaway. Okay, for this next one, I wanted to make sure you guys got everything to recreate a galvanized metal look. Do you remember those chargers that I redid from Dollar Tree and I made them look like galvanized metal? Well, this is all you need right here. You're going to need this gray paint, and you're also going to need these 2 brushed metal silver and dark gray paints, as well as the nutmeg Bogart color right here that I used to add that little bit of rust on the exterior of those chargers. So this right here is all you need to create that look. And that is one of my favorite looks from using any Plaid product. So I had to make sure that I included it in this giveaway. So another really cool thing that I like that was a lot of fun to use were these fine tip tops. Now I use this to decorate a pumpkin for fall. Do you remember that faux ceramic navy blue and white pumpkin that I did? Well, what you do is you basically attach this to any bottle and you can literally draw designs right out of the bottles without having to fuss with anything else. And I think that this is probably one of the coolest little things that I found out that Plaid had, because it really did make decorating a lot of fun. So I made sure to include that in this giveaway as well. Now, most recently, I redid these little Halloween books and turned them into farmhouse little faux book containers that you can put little items in. For that transformation, I use these stencils. And this is actually a pack of 6 stencils. So you're going to be getting all of these stencils in this pack. This is definitely a farmhouse style design, and I know you guys are going to love it if you love farmhouse as much as I do. So I made sure that these stencils were included in the giveaway as well. All right, last but not least are these 6 folk art paints right here. One of them is the color Wicker White, which I've used in a lot of my DIYs. Then I made sure to have peppercorn, and it is a beautiful charcoal gray. I've used it on some signs that I did for fall, as well as the color wrought iron. I had to make sure to include that in there. Now, of course, for all us farmhouse lovers, I decided to include also the color apple red. All right, this one right here is also from one of those fall signs. The color is Italian Sage, and I believe it is one of the most beautiful green acrylic paints that I have used. So I wanted to make sure to include that. And then finally, this beautiful, it's called Navajo Turquoise. Now, I haven't used this, but I definitely have one in my stash. So I cannot wait to see what I can come up with using this amazing color right there. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. It's gorgeous. I had to include it in there as well. So that's everything that's going to be in the giveaway. And remember, I am giving away 3 of these. So 2 of the winners are going to be in the contiguous United States, meaning in the 48 states that all combine and join together and are connected. So make sure you're in one of those. The other person, I wanted to make sure to give the opportunity for somebody in Puerto Rico, of course, where I'm from, to be able to win a package as well, since sometimes it's a little bit harder to find this stuff down in Puerto Rico. Here are the rules. So first, you need to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and you have the notification bell on all, because I will be doing a giveaway video where I'm announcing the winners and you need to be notified if you've won. Next, I need you to give this video a thumbs up. And I need you to put a comment in the comments below. And this is what I need you to say. I need you to first share which of these items is the one that you want to try out first. And 2, where are you located? What state? Or if you're in Puerto Rico, make sure you say Puerto Rico. Now, this giveaway will be open for no more than 5 days because I want to make sure I can mail this off and get them to you before Christmas. And that's it. I want to thank you guys so much for being part of my familia here on YouTube. You guys make this journey so much fun. I cannot wait to see who wins these items. I hope you guys are as excited as I am for this, and I wish you guys the best of luck in this giveaway. I want you guys to know that I am really grateful for each and every one of you. Now I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios.